Lately, we've learned about file attributes in this video, so check it out after watching this one. Usually, when you are using the GUI method, you usually copy and paste files or move a file from this folder to another one by using cut. Also, you copy paste folders as well as move folders from a folder to another. This process can also be done using the text-based interface, which is the command prompt. So if I say cd desktop, I'll go to my desktop and create a folder called folder. And I'll go inside that folder. Inside that folder, I'll create some folders. Now I have two folders. I'll create a text file. So if I dir folder, I'll get two folders and two text files. Let's say I want to copy text.txt to folder 1. We usually right-click on text.txt, copy, go to folder 1, and right-click paste. But here in command prompt, we can't do that. What we can do is we could say copy text.txt to folder 1. What I'm basically saying is copy, then mentioning the source or what I want to copy, and then I'm mentioning the destination, so where I want to paste this copied file. So if I hit enter, it will tell me one file copied. If I dir folder 1, I'll get text.txt inside of it. Let's copy text2.txt to folder 2. I'll say copy text2.txt and I'll mention the destination, which is folder 2. Now if I dir folder 2, as you can see, folder 2 has text2.txt. Let's say I want to copy text.txt to my USB. So if I say wmic logical disk get name, this command will give me all the drives name in my machine. Check out this video where I spoke at the beginning about this command. So my USB drive is F. I could say copy text.txt to F. So what I'm saying is I want to copy this file to my USB. And so if I say dir F, which is my USB, this folder is already in my USB, but I just copied this text file into that USB. Let me dir folder. And so we have two folders inside, folder 1 and folder 2. I deleted all the text files because I want to explain something new right now. If I say dir folder 1, you could see that we have this text file inside of it. Now I will go inside that folder and create another text file. So I'll say echo text2.txt. And if I dir folder 1, I have now two text files. Now lately we've used copy, which is a built-in function by Windows. But also Windows have the built-in function called xcopy. And xcopy offers you more features than the normal copy. So if I say xcopy folder 1 to folder 2, I will dir folder 2. As you can see, inside folder 2 I have those text files that were inside folder 1. So what I did exactly is I copied the content of folder 1 and pasted it inside folder 2. So basically folder 1 had inside of it two text files, right? Text.txt and text2.txt. I used the xcopy and I said xcopy folder 1 to folder 2, and if I dir folder 2 right now, it has also the two text files. Now I'll go to folder 2 and delete all of its content. If I dir folder 2 right now, it is empty because I just deleted all of the content inside of it. I'll explain something new this time. If I go to folder 1 right now and create a directory or a subdirectory inside that folder, I'll say sub dir. dir folder 1, I have this subdirectory inside folder 1. Now if I say xcopy folder 1 to folder 2, now I'll dir folder 2. The problem is that I'm only seeing those two text files, but I'm not seeing the subdirectory that I just created. The problem here is that the original behavior of xcopy is to ignore subdirectories. That means copy everything but don't copy subdirectories. So if I go inside folder 1, dir it, I have this subdirectory. And when I said xcopy folder 1 to folder 2, it copied everything inside folder 2 but excluding the subdirectory. Now I'll teach you how to fix it. But first, I will add something inside the subdirectory. I'll say hello.txt. Now if I write xcopy folder 1 folder 2, and this time I'll add a /s, what this does is it will copy everything inside folder 1 like files including subdirectories and whatever is inside those subdirectories. Okay, the problem is that we got file not found folder 1 because I was still inside folder 2, and inside folder 2 there's nothing called folder 1. That's why I'll go back one directory and be inside folder which has folder 1 inside of it. So I'll say xcopy right now, xcopy folder 1 to folder 2, and so I'll hit enter. As you can see, if I dir folder 2 right now, and as you can see, this time we got the subdirectory inside folder 2. And if I dir folder 2 backslash subdirectory subdir, we can see that the content of this subdirectory has been also copied. So yes, not only the /s allows you to copy files from a folder to another, but also subdirectories. Now to access all the features of xcopy, all you need to do is access the help center, / and question mark. As you can see, these are all the functions that xcopy offers us. Of course, if you're curious to know them, you can always Google them. Right now, I'll delete everything that is inside folder 2 to explain to you the next topic. Okay, I've deleted everything inside folder 2, let me explain to you the next topic. So usually when you right click on a file, you could also cut this file, go to another folder and paste it over there. What you did is, you've moved this file from this location to another. You could actually do the same thing for folders. Right click on a folder, cut and paste it somewhere else. So that's what we're going to do right now in command prompt. I'll say something like move and move folder 1 to folder 2. That won't copy folder 1, that will move folder 1 and put it inside folder 2. Now if I dir folder 2, as you can see, folder 1 is inside folder 2. And if I dir folder, folder 1 disappeared. Now let me make another directory. I'll say mkdir folder 3, let's say. And I'll make a text file, echo text.txt. I could also move files, right? So if I say move text.txt to folder 3. So if I dir folder, I cannot see text.txt over here. But what I can do is I could say dir folder 3, and inside folder 3, we can see that text.txt is there. Now a bonus trick. Well, I'll give you two bonus tricks. To rename a folder, all you need to do is say rename and mention the folder that you want to rename. In my case, it will be folder 3 and I want to name it to, let's say, hello. Now if I dir folder, as you can see, we have the directory called hello, which was called folder 3, but I renamed it to hello. Now the last trick is, if you want to clear your interface of the command prompt, all you need to do is write cls, and as you can see, your command prompt is nice and clean. Alright, that is it on how to copy and move files and directories in CMD. And that brings us to the end of this command prompt tutorial series for beginners. Check this playlist to take a look and watch the videos that we did about the command prompt. Or answer this question: what do you think a full stack developer does or should know? Well, check out this video and you'll know the answer.